Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw the three Spider-Men from No Way Home. Spider-Man No Way Home. So it's gonna be three faces. It's gonna be one here, facing us, one over here, facing this side, the other one facing the other direction. So it's gonna be super easy, simple, and for beginners. So if you basically don't know how to draw, you should be able to draw this. So let's get started, okay? On Spider-Man, three Spider-Man. Before you do that, don't forget to subscribe if you like learning how to draw Marvel characters or anything else like for that matter. I draw Marvel, I draw Pokemon, I draw anime, I draw dinosaurs, Godzilla. I draw tons of stuff on here, and I'll put them all into these 8 to 10 minute increment videos so that you can learn them, every day. So let's get started, all right? So like I said, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. Go over here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with the top of Spider-Man's head. Right here. It's a bit like that curved line. Go over here on this side, pull it down. Over here on this side, pull it down as well. Okay. Pulling in here, pulling in here to the bottom of the chin here, and I'm gonna pull that more or less kind of flat-ish. So kind of just like a general front face, nothing too wild. Gonna draw a line downward for the neck, downward here on this side for the neck, pulling out over here for the trapezius. So that's one head shape, and I'm gonna stay there. I'm not gonna draw the actual lines on it yet. I'm gonna go over here, I'm gonna go this side, on down here. I'm gonna start maybe lower, and I'm gonna pull the Spider-Man head over here on this side. Curve down over the forehead. Down a little bit more for like the nose area, right? Pulls out a little bit. Pulling down for the chin, and then pulls back. Gonna pull down here for the neck. So it's another head shape. Going on this side, very similar. You can kind of mirror this one, or you can make it purposefully a little bit off. So I'm gonna maybe a little bit higher. Out over here for the top of the head. Curve down for the front of the forehead. Pulling in over here, out to the nose. Down. Curve back here. Go over here, down. For the neck here. So we have the three heads essentially, right? There's a lot of similarities in their masks, to be honest, so it's gonna be hard to distinguish them. The idea is that you can just basically do very similar ones. So let's start with the front view. I am excited about the new No Way Home movie with Tobey Maguire, right, and then Andrew Garfield is supposed to come out, and obviously Tom Holland is in it. It's the main one, or the current one. Line over here, line over here. I'm putting 2 dots here to kind of, show where I'm going, kind of line them up. Line up here. Right there, it's kind of a, it's like up, curving out around the corner there. Up, curving here. Pulling down over here, up, down over here, out. And I'm gonna curve here. So you have that kind of like almost teardrop shape that his eye has. Curve up here. Kind of, maybe, what do you call that? Like straighten those shapes out over there, the lines. Gonna go to the center here, and I'm gonna draw the inward curves of almost like a star shape right there, but it's really the inside of the web. And from here, I'm gonna draw a straight line out, and it's gonna be thinner. Remember that these lines are thinner. They're gonna be radiating from the center. Line over here, line over here. here, line here, line here, line here, line here, line here. So you just radiate out them as much as you can. There's no number of lines you have to hit or anything like that. And then what you're gonna do from every one of these is gonna curve in right there. Almost like it's sucking toward the center, right? It's like pulling, these shapes are gonna pull in. Like so. Do another row over here. Okay, just kind of continuing as much as you can, that is. Okay, so that's one Spider-Man head. Oh, kinda. We have to draw the neck. I completely forgot. You have to draw a line down here, out, down here, out, down here, out, down here, out, down here, down, and then we're gonna slowly start going the other direction. And then same thing. You're drawing these lines here. They can be a little less precise on the neck because it's not our focus. So that can totally be fine. It's up to you. Let's go over here to this side. We're gonna start over here with maybe right here. I'm trying to put where I want the eye to be. So I'm gonna go up, out, curve down, up. Make that a little bit thicker. Over here on this side. Up, out, and then over here, curve up. Same thing as well, we're finding that little almost like star shape, almost like that little explosion shape in the middle. Drawing lines, curving. They have to curve over here though, because it's a side view, right? And it's curving around the head. Over here, you have to curve it as well around the head. And we do the exact same thing. We're throwing the webbing in between. Webbing in between. And maybe draw some lines over here, really thin ones, for the remainder of the neck. Something we can do to separate these if you want, you can draw a thicker line, maybe around the center one. Just the center one, maybe like one thick line to give it a little more separation, because I understand it might become a little bit of a mess because of all the all the lines there. Might become a little bit of a mess. But anyways, that is pretty much it. That is the 3 Spider-Men from No Way Home. I hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, if you did enjoy that, please share the video with somebody that you think somebody that will enjoy it. Hit that like, and also you can share it on some other social platform. Thank you so much. When you're drawing, keep it easy.